Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Ram 1500 Rebel GT in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, 4-corner air suspension, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, spray and bed liner by MOPAR, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7604.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.